Assalamu alaikum, this is Maria Salim and you are watching my channel Urdu with Maria Salim. This video is about Edexcel A-Level Paper 1, Translation into English, Reading Comprehension and Writing Research Question in Urdu. Let me tell you that this is a written examination, 2 hours 30 minutes long, contributing 40% of the qualification and in total 80 marks. Dictionaries and documentation relating to the research project are not allowed in this examination. To solve the paper, please use black ink or ballpoint pen. Paper 1 is consists of 3 sections. Section A, translation into English, total 20 marks, an unseen passage to be translated from Urdu to English. Section A, translation into English. Please write your answer in the provided space and it is recommended that you spend around 20 minutes on this section. Section B, reading, which is for 20 marks. A reading assessment based on a variety of text types and genres. Students must respond to a series of comprehension questions. Section B, reading, 20 marks. Please try to spend around 45 minutes on this section. Open response questions do not have to be written in full sentences and you may respond using single words or phrases. Yes, you may use words from the text, but you must not copy whole sections. Let's have a look of different types of comprehension. Section C, writing, is a research-based task, 40 marks. You have to respond to one question from this section. It is recommended that you spend around 1 hour 25 minutes on this section. Write approximately 320 to 370 words in your answer. Before answering the section C's question, please choose question number question 6, 7, 8 or 9. Indicate which question you are answering by marking a cross in the box in page number 16 of your paper. If you change your mind, put a line through the box and then indicate your new question with a cross. Section A, B and C draws on vocabulary and structures across all sub-themes from within the 4 themes. Theme 1, पाकिस्तानी मुआशरे का इर्तिका. थीम 2, उर्दू बोलने वाली दुनिया में तमद्दुन और फ़नून लतीफ़ा. थीम 3, हिजरत, तर्क वतन और कसीरुल सकाफ़ती मुआशरा. थीम 4, पाकिस्तानी सियासत के रुख. Thank you.